Good day guys, another day, another topic. In this video, we'll be talking about maintenance, record, contents, and entries. What's this all about? Well, it talks about three things. First up, we have the Airworthiness Directive Compliance entries, where mandatory FAA rules for safety are issued. Second, we have the Form 337, the Major Alteration and Repairs, and it is used to record major repairs or alteration. Lastly, we have the Preventive Maintenance Recording requirement, which covers simple tasks like changing the spark plug. But before all of that, let me introduce you to my team.
Hey. O sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating, panis yung mga pogi, kahit pa na pachideng. O sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating, mga girls ako lodi, kasi Harris in the game. Yes, wag check muna